Have you ever been to an all-inclusive? Do you know that some all-inclusives have some money-saving hacks that you can do to have a great experience and save money at the same time? If this is something you're interested in, then stay tuned because this video is for you. Hey fellow travelers, this is Norman Payne from Up, Up, Up and Away. Thank you for stopping in and welcome back to my channel. This channel is about everything travel. Everything travel, from travel tips, travel hacks, travel news, and destination and cruise ship videos. So if this is something you're interested in, then hit that subscribe button right now. All-inclusive resorts started back in 1950, but it was only about having a bed, a roof, somewhere to eat, and somewhere to drink. But that's it, all for one cost. And that was all they wanted. People went to these resorts as a one-stop shop. They wanted everything for one cost and one cost only. That's how the all-inclusive started back in the 1950s. When all-inclusive started up, it wasn't about luxury, it was about accessibility. Just to have everything you needed in one hotel. But you know, in today's world, it's all about the luxury. The all-inclusive resorts are luxurious, along with having everything you need for one cost. But let's clear up the myth about all-inclusive. It really doesn't mean all. It means that some things are included in the one cost. Sometimes there are upcharges. Yep, believe it or not, there are things that come at a separate cost. For example, spa treatments and sometimes specialty dining are upcharged. The resort may have non-motorized water sports and all of that's included. But if you want to get on a jet ski or something like that, it's gonna cost you. Some resorts even have an upcharge for room service and even late checkouts. So keep this in mind the next time you decide to go to an all-inclusive. There may be charges that you don't know about, but I'm gonna tell you a few tips to get some things bundled up so you don't have to come out of your pocket once you get to your all-inclusive resort. So let's start with looking for special programs. A good travel advisor can find these special programs for you where everything is bundled together so you don't come out of your pocket but one time. You pay that travel advisor and they take care of everything. I'm talking about transportation from your airport to your resort and back if that's what you need, and other things also, all in one package. You could get your spa treatments and your specialty dining put in a bundle and it could be discounted before you get there. So you won't have to pay the full cost for the spa treatment. Other benefits could be in-room gifts, bottles of wine, bottles of champagne. All of that could be included in your all-inclusive package if you get with the right travel advisor. These bundled up together can be add-ons but included in the cost when you book your trip. You keep that all-inclusive feeling by paying for everything all at once and not coming out of your pocket every time you want to do something, or having a bill at the end of your stay for a lot of things that you added on once you got there. You can do all of this in advance with your travel advisor. Stay longer. Did you know if you purchased a package at say 3 or 4 days, they may have an add-on for 5, 6, or 7 day, and you can get some perks that way. So staying one more day can get you some other things like hypotherapy treatment with your spa treatments. Also access to some places on the resort that you wouldn't get if you were only staying for those shorter days like 3 or 4. Adding on days once you book the package can get you some other perks. It may be to your advantage to add that one more day at a lower cost and get some things that you would normally pay for. Upgrading your room, that's another one. If you upgraded your room, say you were in a interior type of room where you had a garden view and you upgraded that room to say an ocean view, that may come with some perks as well. Ask about upgrading your room. Definitely if you took an ocean view room and went to a suite, that can get you into private clubs, private areas. Get your cabana on the beach reserved for you at no cost. This would usually be a cost to most vacationers to rent that cabana so you could be on the beach in this nice cabana. But you could get it for free if you upgraded your room. Some upgrades come with a private butler, so you'll have your own butler to tend to your every need. They'll almost be following you around the whole day. You tell them your itinerary and they'll be there. Say you at the cabana, they'll be there to bring your drinks. You go back to your room to get dressed and say you find out that your shirt is wrinkled before you go to dinner. Give it to the butler. He'll take care of it. You want your breakfast in bed the next day? Tell your butler. He'll have it there for you. All of this could happen if you just upgraded your room. You could be treated like a VIP. Booking a spa treatment. Book your spa treatment before you depart on your trip. If you do that, these are really big in, say, Mexico and Dominican Republic. But you may get an add-on treatment. Let's say a massage may come with your spa treatment. A facial may come. You might get a manicure and a pedicure with your spa treatment if you booked it in advance before you took your trip. That's the advantage of getting it before you even get to your destination. You could also get access to some of the secret spaces they have to relax in. There are some pretty cool places where you can go to a cool tub and then a hot tub, steam rooms, saunas, all of that you would not normally get, that you would have to pay for unless you book the spa treatment in advance. Not once you get there, because they'll charge you for all of those things. Compare your inclusions. Compare the things that are important to you. Let's say you're a golfer and you want a caddy or a golf cart or free green fees. You can get that if you looked in advance for that. But add up the inclusions if you want specialty dining, and that's important to you, or your free personal transfers from the airport to your resort. Look at those things based on the resort you're going to and what's important to you. You may be able to bundle some things together and get a different experience just by doing it in advance and bundling the things that are important to you. But you need to know who to ask, and a travel advisor will know how to bundle those things for you with the resort. They probably have a direct contact to someone at those resorts to bundle it where they would be a la carte before you get there and get you a good rate on those things. And like I said, and keep that all-inclusive feeling. All-inclusive resorts offer you a lot of different unique ways to create your memories. You just have to figure out what is a deal maker and a deal breaker. There's some things that you're probably not interested in, but there are others that you really, really want. So look at the different things that can make your vacation a very, very memorable one. With these tips, you can get more out of your travel dollar. Just look at the different things that you can do and these different tips so that you can get the most bang for your buck. If you've ever stayed at an all-inclusive resort, leave me a comment down below. Let me know which ones you stayed in. Let me know the experience that you had. Was it a good experience or a bad experience? If you're planning on staying in an all-inclusive, then drop me a comment. Let me know about it. Let me know where you're going to and what type of experiences you are planning to have. If this information was helpful to you, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment and tell me about how this helped you and what are you planning to do with the information. Share this video with anyone who is looking to save money on their next all-inclusive resort. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel helps me grow. And ring that notification bell so you'll know the next time I upload another video. Well, that's all I got for you today. Until our paths cross again soon, I'll see you then. Peace.
And please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on all my social media. Just hashtag #UpUpUpNorman, where you will find my Facebook page, my Instagram account, my Twitter page, and my TikTok page.